Bharat. So we all know the chaos of managing daily expenses, especially for small businesses all throughout India that rely on handwritten notes and countless SMS alerts every day, even today. It's messy, time-consuming, and prone to errors. Today, we're introducing Margadarshak, an intelligent expense manager that brings order to that chaos. First, let's log in. As you can see, we're at the login screen, and we have implemented the login through mobile number and OTP verification. This counts for our first brownie point. So let me just demonstrate to you how it works. So I will be entering my number here, and we'll be receiving OTP soon. As you can see, we have received OTP. Let me just copy paste that. Once this is verified, it does bring us to our proper UI. So as you can see, we have various UI elements like the income, the cash flow in, the cash flow out, total number of transactions, a financial health score metric, several insights that are hard-coded, suggestions based on the current financial information, a net balance, net profit or net loss, a WhatsApp report feature that we'll be discussing later, a scan receipt feature for OCR. This feature is mainly for uploading ledgers that often Kirana store owners use to maintain their financial records. We also have voice input feature so that people can speak out their financial transactions in case they are unable to write it for some reason. So let me begin by first introducing our SMS parsing feature. This feature takes the SMS received and parses it and adds it to the database. So as you can see, we have received SMS. It says that we have debited 300 rupees. So it should update the expenses section and make it more. So if we hit a quick refresh, as you can see, 300 has been added and the total number of transactions has been increased to 128. So this current screen shows you the daily statistics. We also have weekly and monthly statistics. For now, it shows the same thing because I initialized it today. So next we have the WhatsApp report feature. WhatsApp report feature is a standardized feature to send a report every day at specific amounts of time specified by the user. So for example, if I were to set it to 11:31, you will see later that I will receive a WhatsApp message, but let's continue for now. If you are impatient and want to receive a WhatsApp message immediately, you can just click the send report now button. And as you can see, I've received the WhatsApp report. Okay, next, let's go on to our premium features. So we have a premium tier, which is 49 rupees per month, and these are the features that are enabled. I currently have it enabled, so if I were to just disable it and then enable it again, for this demo we have kept it instant, but we are going to implement payment soon. So let me just read out the features for you once again. First of all, we implement Cloud Sync. Our Cloud Sync is done via a super-based database. We have advanced voice input that takes in LLMs and scans it and gives the high-level output. We also have AI summarizations based on the financial ledger data. We have advanced analytics. Oh, see, as you can see, it's 11:31, so I've received the financial report that I had scheduled earlier. And we have export data. So I'll show you these features one by one. First of all, let's go to our table view. So table view kind of resembles Google Pay's per transaction data. So as you can see, it has it in a decently good form, and there are several filter options. Like for example, you can have just debit, just credit, and they are listed with the appropriate timestamps to know when it happened. For now, we can see we have 539 transactions. You can also sort by name or by credit or whatever you want to if you wish to. There's also a refresh option to load in any new transactions. Okay, next we have the Cloud Sync option. So obviously we will need to implement an online feature as well, because offline data can easily be lost if the phone were to be restarted or something. So to implement Cloud Sync, we have initialized a super-based database, and the Cloud Sync is simply done with the click of a button like this. So this data has been now updated to the cloud super-base. We also have a clear all button. I will not run this right now, but as you can tell, it just clears all the data and makes it new. So next, we have the scan receipt function. Scan receipt function is basically used to scan pages or physical data from papers and summarize them using various metrics. So we are doing this using a Fireworks API. Fireworks API basically does image recognition, which is OCR, optical character recognition, as well as summarization metrics, and you will see this soon. So as you can see, we can click let me just do the take picture option, and this is our sample data. Yes, now this will get uploaded. We'll only add one page for now, but we have the option to add multiple pages. So this will be sent, and shortly we will receive the summarization metrics report. Yes, as you can see, these are the current metrics, and I'm pretty sure these resemble the data that we have. So it says that banana generates the highest revenue, banana, milk, bread, and dominate sales. Average price is 46. So these are basic metrics that we have calculated via the data that we've observed. We also have bestsellers, low moving, and suggestions that are localized to the data that we have captured. So we can add these to our records, and they get updated. As you can see, this got more, and even this got more. Next, we have voice input feature. Voice input feature basically adds data via voice. So for example, if you're not able to record it, you can do it live by just giving a voice prompt. So let me just do this and demonstrate it. So let me just do the sample data that you've done. Sold 2 tea for 100. Yes. So yeah, it shows that 2 tea was 50 rupees and total came out to be 100. So it's correctly identifying the thing that I've told, and once we save it, it's going to add it to our database. So yeah, we also have the third brownie point challenge, which is what we got was the chaos mode. So chaos mode, we've been asked that a simple button will just create a lot of chaos with the UI, with the elements. So the button is right here, the lightning symbol, and I'm going to click it and I'll show you what it does. So as you can see, it's pretty chaotic, I'd say. So yeah, that's the chaos button. Let me just stop it for now. And yeah, I think this summarizes our entire product. We also have the second brownie challenge, which is our GitHub Actions. This is mainly related to deployment and development. So we won't be observing this right now, but I will show you a quick video of our GitHub repo showing that we have integrated GitHub Actions for using the linter pipeline. So yeah, thank you.